Hello everyone, let's talk about server RAM. Specifically, the Samsung 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz ECC RDIMM. This memory module, part number M321R2GA3PVOCWM, is designed to boost your server's performance. This is a single 16GB stick of DDR5 registered DIMM operating at a speedy 5600 MHz, also known as PC5-44800. It's built with ECC, or error-correcting code, which is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. The module is a 1RX8, sometimes labeled as EC8 10x4, and adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, running at a cool 1.1V. Now, before you rush out to buy this for your gaming rig, a word of caution: this memory is strictly for select server systems. It will not work in desktop computers, laptops, or PCs. Double-check your motherboard's compatibility before purchasing. It's also important to note that EC8 10x4 ECC register modules should not be mixed with EC4 9x4 modules or other ECC types like ECC unbuffered, ECC load reduced, or the non-ECC unbuffered. Mixing memory types can lead to instability or failure to boot. Always consult your system's documentation to ensure compatibility and optimal memory channel configuration. So what are the benefits of upgrading to this Samsung DDR5 RDIMM? The primary advantage is increased memory capacity. More memory translates to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and the ability to handle larger workloads. This is especially important for servers running demanding applications or virtual machines. Samsung is a reputable brand known for producing high-quality memory products. This DDR5 RDIMM is no exception. It's built to meet the rigorous demands of server environments, ensuring reliability and stability. In summary, the Samsung 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz ECC RDIMM is a solid choice for upgrading your server's memory. Just remember to verify compatibility with your system and adhere to memory channel guidelines for maximum performance. If you're looking to enhance your server's capabilities, this memory module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.